Good morning, class. How are you today? Before we start, De La Cruz, please lead the prayer.
Our Father, who art in heaven, holy be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Before we proceed to our proper discussion, let us check first your attendance. And once I call your name or family name, say present. De La Cruz. Okay. Busano. Sumili. So before we proceed to our next discussion, let us recap first what we've discussed yesterday. Alright? So, what we've discussed yesterday? Yes, it is adding similar fraction. How do we know if the fraction is similar? Any guess? Yes, by simply if the denominator is similar or the same. Very good. So now, I have here a game or I have here a prepared game. Alright? Now, I have prepared a warm-up activity. So I have here a direction. The activities go thumbs up or down. Identify whether it is a similar fraction or not. If the fraction is similar, you will do the thumbs up, and if not, you will do the thumbs down. So I have here a emoji. So this emoji represents the thumbs up or down. This one. Thumbs down, thumbs up. So the given are this. So these are the given. So I have here three examples. So what are you going to do? You will put it here. If the fraction is the same, you will put the thumbs up emoji or the thumbs down. So, any volunteer? So, Miss. So, number one, what emoji? Alright, put it there. Is it correct or no?
Yes.
Very good. Yes, thumbs up because the denominator is the same. Number two, who will answer? Yes, Brian. Thumbs up or down? Oh, put it there. Is it correct? Yes, because the denominator is the same. Now, the last one, Usano. Alright. Is it correct? Yes, because the denominator is dissimilar or they are different each other. Okay, great job, students. So now that we have already finished the game or the activity, some of you might wondering, why is the denominator and the given number 3 are not the same? Right? Are you wondering, class? Why is it the denominator is different to each other? Yes. So I have a question regarding this number 3. Is it similar fraction? No, because the denominator is different. Now today, we will discuss a new lesson. So our new lesson for today is all about adding dissimilar fraction. So, we will discuss the steps and examples of dissimilar fraction. So, anyone who will give the steps in adding dissimilar fraction? So, I have here prepared the steps in adding dissimilar fractions. So we have three steps in adding dissimilar fractions. So the first step is, anyone who will read? Yes, Busano.
Change the similar fraction to similar fraction for finding the least common denominator.
Yes, very good. Thank you, Busano. So the first step tells us that change dissimilar fraction to similar fraction by finding the least common denominator. So let us have an example. So let's just say I have here a 1/2 plus 2/4. So what are we going to do is to find the least common denominator. So what is the least common denominator between the 2 and 4? So I have here 2. 2 times 1 is equals to 2. Is it correct? 2 times 1 is equals to 2? Yes. So 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. Let's have an example. 1/2 plus 2/4. So what are we going to do? Let us find the least common denominator, or the LCD. What is the LCD between 2 and 4? Yes, it is 4. Because 2 times 2 is equals to 4. 2 times 2 equals to 4. Alright. So, what are you going to do in the numerator? What is the next step in adding similar fraction? So, anyone who will read the second step? Yes.
Add the numerator.
Yes, very good. Add the numerator. So, where's the numerator here? It is 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Very good. So, the third step is, who will volunteer to read? Read? Yes, Busano again.
Write the least common denominator, write the answer to lowest term.
Yes, very good. Thank you, Busano. So, write the least common denominator here and write the answer to lowest term if possible. So here, is it possible to reduce to lowest term? No. The final answer is 3/4. Got it? Yes. Let's have another example. So I have here another example. So it is a problem example. So Marvin has 2/4 yard of materials for tables. He also have 1/2 of equipment for the yard. How many materials did Marvin have? So, what is asked in the problem? How many materials did Marvin have, right? So, what fractions are given? It is 2/4 and 1/2. If we use how many? What operation would we use? Or what operation we will use? Is it a subtraction, addition, multiplication, or division? Yes, it is addition. So the first step says here, change the similar fraction. By the way, is it similar or dissimilar? Yes, excellent. It is dissimilar. So the first step says here that change dissimilar fraction to dissimilar fraction. Please keep quiet. So here we will find the least common denominator, the LCD. So what is the LCD? 2? Yes, it is 4. The second step, add the numerator. So we will add 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1? 3. Very good. Is it? We will reduce the lowest term, the 3 and 4. No, we will not reduce the lowest term. The answer here is 3 over 4. Alright, got it? Is it a yes, yes, yes?
Yes.
Very good. So I have here a second problem. Alright. Lisa bought 5-6 kilogram of mango and 2/4 kilogram of apples. How many kilogram of fruits did she buy in all? Alright. How many kilogram of fruits did she buy in all? What operation would we use? Is it addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? Yes, it is addition. What asked in the problem? How many kilogram of fruits did she buy in all? Alright. So what fractions given? It is 5, 6 and 2, 4. You said earlier that the operation is addition. So we will add this 5, 6 and 2, 4. What is the LCD of 6 and 4? Any guess? 10? Is it 10? Any guess? Is it 4? Is it 6? Anyone? Is it 12? Is it correct? 12? Yes, it is 12. Why we say so that the numerator or the least common denominator of 6 and 4 is 12? Because 6 times 2 is equals to 12. 4 times 3? Yes, 12. So that is why the answer here is 12. So the next is we will add the denominator. Here, 5 plus 2. Alright, 7. Can we reduce it to lowest term? The 7 and 12?
No.
Correct. It is the final answer. So do you understand in adding dissimilar fraction?
Yes.
Yes. Another example. The given question or the given here is 2 over 4 plus 1 over 5. So who will volunteer to answer? Yes. Is it correct? Yes. Is it correct? It's correct. 3 over 20. Another one. Who will answer? Yes, Gusano. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. Can we reduce it to lowest term?
No.
No. So this is correct. The last one. Yes. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, it is correct. Did he reduce it to lowest term?
Yes.
Yes. 4 over 4 is equals to 1. So this is correct. So now, we will have an activity by group. So this is group 1, this is group 2, and group 3. The first row is group 1, the second row is group 2, and the third row is group 3. So this is the activity of group 1. Please keep quiet. Read and solve what is asked in each question. So these questions here, the two questions here is problem solving. So you need to read and understand what is asked in the problem. So the second is group 2. This is your activity. Direction: add the following fraction. Simplify your answer if possible. We already discussed the third step, right? By finding the less common denominator or to reduce it to lowest term if possible. So this is 3 items only. Alright? So this is for the, please keep quiet at the back, boys. This is for the group 3. Find the sum. The group 2 and group 3 are the same process but different given numbers. Alright? Please be reminded that we have a set standard of this activity, right? Please keep quiet at the back. So we have a set standards of this. So number 1, be creative. Please cooperate. The third is be responsible. And the last is the important one. The last is be quiet and follow instructions. Alright? Is it a yes, yes, yes?
Yes, yes, yes.
Alright. Please do this activity in 10 minutes. Alright? And after 10 minutes, we will answer it by group. Is it a yes, yes, yes?
Yes, yes, yes.
Alright, very good. So now that you are done answering your quiz, let us check your answer. So number 1, who will answer? Yes. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. Number 2, who will answer? Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. Number 3, who will answer? Yes. Okay, thank you. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Number 4, who will answer? Is it correct?
Yes.
Can we reduce it to lowest term?
No.
Very good. The last number, who will answer? Is it correct that
Yes.
the answer is 5?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now that you already know how to add dissimilar fraction, I am here and assignment. So write it on your notebook and we will check it tomorrow. Alright. So copy class and you will find the sum and if possible reduce it to lowest term. Alright. Did you learn something?
Yes.
Very good. So we are done discussing dissimilar fraction. Alright, so we are